1965 Cadillac Deville Convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. According to the consignor of this vehicle, it's actually a two-owner car. Has had one repaint, is a little bit older repaint, and I'll show you some things on that. Believed to be an actual mile car also, just a little over 79,000 is all. 429 V8 power underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the stacked headlights. Front grille, you can see we are missing a piece right there. Chrome in the front bumper. Cadillac hood emblems. All right, still pictures, so you can see this car from every angle. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, top up, top down. Check out all the still pictures. There'll be over 100 of them. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Cadillac wheel covers, wide white wall, bias ply tires. Technician did note tires are showing their age some. And I mentioned paint is a little older repaint. And you just kind of see where there's some kind of staining on it. Still has a decent shine to it. If you're back 4 or 5 feet, not a bad look, but you get right on top of it, you will see some staining. One of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun, be a great car for local parades, roll-in, cruise-ins. So black interior, bench seat up front. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. And as always, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Also, these panels, they're long and straight. As you can see, fender skirts. Let's take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper. You'll kind of see what I'm talking about in the paint back here if I get right on top of it. You can kind of see that, some of those staining spots. All right, once again, those still pictures so you can see it from every angle. UniqueClassicCars.com. A couple notes from the technician on this one. AM radio is in working order. Typical powertrain seeps, car that's driven. Nothing out of the ordinary. He also said it could use both lower ball joints. Brakes are 80% in the front, 90% in the rear. Let's take a look down this driver's side. You can see it does have some corrosion, rust down that lower. If you like these big Cadillacs, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And you can see where this lower kind of rocker below the door, that has been touched up too, and you may be able to see that a little better in the underside pics, but it doesn't look bad at all. Again, you can see the reflection in the paint. It does have a shine to it, just not perfect. Doesn't mean you can't get in, drive it, and have some fun though. All right, seats look good in the back. There's leather seats. Take a look at the door panel. Power windows, and that'd be for the wing window. Now, as far as leather seating surfaces, don't look bad at all. Look like they are stock, which would kind of reflect the fact that it's believed to be original miles at 79,146. Top of the dash, nice shape. Appears it was stored indoors. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, 429, we're gonna pump a little bit. 429 V8 power. This also will have telescopic steering column. That locks it in. Turn it left, unlock it. You can see there.
Can't keep settling for
Mentioned the
field
radio's
goals.
working.
I think there's a lot of things that we have.
Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Sounds as you would expect. Nothing crazy over the top for exhaust. And like I said, if you stick around to the end of this video, we're going to get the power top up. Power top does work, needs a little bit of assistance. And I'm going to get that up, show you the condition of that. And then like I said, if you stick around to the very end, Jason will take it for a drive. But first, let's check out this motor. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay, again, the big 429 V8 power. Power steering, power brakes. There'd be a harder carburetor on there. Battery disconnect for when it's in storage or in between drives. Pretty stock looking engine bay also. All right, let's check out this convertible top. See how that looks. All right, convertible top up. So I did mention it's a power top, but like I said, it needs some assistance. And by assistance, I mean one person runs the button and a person in the back kind of has to help lift it. Once it's up and going a little ways from all the way down, then it completed itself all the rest of the way. But it does need a little assistance. Want to let you know about that. So it looks like tight fit above the windshield. A little bit of a gap here, but it latched down nice. White vinyl. A couple little wear spots that I'll show you on it. But I think if you need it to keep you dry out of a shower or the sun, it's gonna do that job just fine. That is a glass rear window. So here's a spot where there's some wear, obviously in the vinyl. And that was really the major spot where there was some wear. But like I said, you need it to keep you dry or out of the sun. It's going to serve that purpose just fine. It seals nice along here. It's got a little bit of separation. And I have a feeling next person driving this car and enjoying it, top's going to be down the majority of the time. All right, and it's kind of the same way, lowering the top. You can use the power switch. It goes the majority of the way, but does need a little bit of help along the way. So there you go, 1965 Cadillac Deville convertible. According to the consignor, 2-owner car, believed to be original miles. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1965 Cadillac Deville convertible, and we do have the top up today. The radio works in this car.
It's Monday. Because
Very nice driving Cadillac. Looking good on the inside and the outside. Kind of a dark red. And inside black and chrome. Turn signal's working. Waiting for a couple slow drivers out there. The temperature gauge is working. It's showing about 1/8 of the way up. It's climbing up from cold. This is an automatic on the column. Looks like I'm waiting a long time. What do you think? Do defensive drivers cause more problems than people who are aggressive? This is me talking. The fuel gauge shows a little less than half of a tank. Very nice interior. The cream colored floor mats actually offset the black really well. I finally get to go. The turn signal indicators out on the fenders, working beautifully. Always a nice feature to have. This is clock equipped, though I do not see the second hand moving. Speedometer working as it should. I already showed you the radio. Let's do it again.
Some of these faucets are AOC.
The wipers work. The blower motor also works on this car. Black leather seating. Very classic styling in this Cadillac. The 65. A little bit square, a little bit rounded. A lot of people love those kind of straight sides on all the 65s, and this one is no different. Beautiful condition top. Little bit of pull to the right when braking. Sometimes that will just work its way out as you drive. They don't get driven a whole lot while they're here waiting to go to their new home, but the brakes do work. And this car corners pretty well. Power steering is very good. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1965 Cadillac at uniqueclassiccars.com.